Tired of lugging heavy laundry baskets or sitting around laundromats waiting for open machines? All-in-one washer-dryers promise to wash and dry your clothes in a single footprint, but many leave your laundry damp or take forever. I bought and tested 5 top models, so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money guessing which one works.
Product number 1, Gashel Countertop Mini Laundry Washer. When I pulled this compact Gashel washer out of the box, I was surprised by how surprisingly sturdy yet lightweight the housing felt in my hands. The smooth handles on the sides made carrying it to my kitchen sink effortless. I hooked this mini setup straight to my sink faucet to test a quick load of gym clothes and socks. The wash cycle agitated gently without shredding delicate fabrics, and the spin cycle pulled out enough excess moisture that my shirts air-dried in record time. Setup took under 2 minutes, and it stored neatly under my sink shelf when I finished. My favorite part was how surprisingly quiet the internal motor ran on my countertop. It never wobbled or rattled my glassware. If you live in a tiny studio apartment or RV and need a lightweight washer for quick daily loads, grab this one. If you want a full ventless... Product number 2, Ventless Compact Washer-Dryer Combo. Lifting the door on this ventless compact combo, I immediately noticed the solid stainless steel drum interior and the smooth response of the digital touch display. I loaded this unit with jeans and towels to see how it handled full wash-to-dry cycles. It washed thoroughly, using minimal water, then seamlessly transitioned straight into the condensation drying mode. Because it's ventless, I plugged it directly into a standard wall outlet without cutting exhaust holes. My clothes came out clean, soft, and ready to wear without transferring wet laundry between 2 machines. My favorite part was setting the delay timer before heading out, letting me return home to warm, dry laundry. If you rent an apartment without exterior dryer vents, this all-in-one combo offers true wash and dry convenience. For those seeking a similar space-saving ventless setup tuned specifically for tight laundry closets, consider this next model.
Product number 3, Ventless Compact Apartment Washer-Dryer. When I ran my hands over the clean exterior casing, the sturdy door latch and reinforced rubber seal felt completely leak-proof and solid. I tested this unit with a heavy load of bed sheets to evaluate its spin balance and moisture extraction. The automated sensor dry feature adjusted heat levels dynamically, preventing my cotton sheets from shrinking or baking. It washed gently, and the high spin cycle removed most of the water before heat drying even kicked in. My favorite part was the user-friendly interface. Selecting custom wash temperatures and spin speeds took just a quick turn of the central dial. If you want a reliable, energy-efficient washer-dryer combo that fits into small closet spaces, this model is fantastic. Now, if you have a larger family and need massive capacity alongside high-end front-load performance, let's look at this heavy-duty contender.
Product number 4, Kenmore 8.0 Front-Load Washer-Dryer.
Grabbing the massive door handle on this Kenmore unit, the heavy-duty build quality and premium finish gave it the feel of a commercial-grade appliance. I loaded this giant with bulky winter coats and thick blankets to put its 8.0 capacity to the ultimate test. The powerful wash action lifted tough stains effortlessly, while the high-speed drying cycle dried heavy denim quickly without leaving damp pockets. Even during full spin cycles, the vibration dampening kept my floor from shaking. My favorite part was the steam refresh setting, which smoothed out wrinkled dress shirts in minutes when I was in a rush. If you have a large household and want serious laundry capacity with top-tier performance, this Kenmore handles heavy-duty work easily. If you want to pull back to a budget-friendly, portable solution that handles quick apartment loads, let's examine our last model.
Product number 5, Auertech Portable Automatic Washer. Unboxing the Auertech portable washer, the thick plastic housing felt remarkably durable, and the built-in side handles made moving it around my bathroom easy. I hooked this portable machine to my sink faucet to test its fully automatic wash and spin programs. It filled, washed, rinsed, and spun out moisture without requiring any manual intervention between cycles.
The stainless steel tub handled several pairs of pants at once, while the powerful spin cycle wrung out clothes so well they dried on a rack in just a couple of hours. My favorite part was the clear top lid, which let me monitor the water level and wash action easily. If you need an affordable, fully automatic portable laundry solution for an apartment or dorm room, this Allwertech unit delivers big value. That wraps up my hands-on testing of the best all-in-one washer dryers on the market. Whether you need a compact portable washer or a full-sized combination unit, there's a great option here. Check out the links in the description below for live prices, and I'll see you next time.